Hello friends, so here is another question on simplification of 5 variable Boolean functions using 5 variable K-map. So we have this SOP or Minterm type Boolean function given in terms of the Minterm values, which are 0, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 31. So if we take this Boolean function, then here we have from 0 to 11, okay, 0 to 11, it comes in the range of 0 to 15, in that range, and then here from 16 to 31, okay, it comes in the range of 16 to 31, these values. So two separate K-maps will be there. So first we have to draw the K-maps and then split it into two parts as we have done it here. We'll map them and then we'll minimize it. So first let us draw the K-map. So we'll keep BC and DE, okay, taking A, the first MSB variable, we'll divide it into two parts where we have first A equals to 0, that is A bar, and then the second A equals to 1. So we have 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. In terms of the variables, which we have split here, they are SOP type: B bar C bar, B bar C, BC, BC bar. Here it is D bar E bar, D bar E, DE, DE bar. Why we are writing? Because it is SOP, Minterm type, that's why we are writing it in this form, okay. So this is the first part. Then we have the second K-map, okay, the second K-map here, okay, this is the second K-map, okay, same thing, but the Minterm cells, it will be different. So here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay, this is 0 to 15. Then from here it will be 16, 17, 18, 19, here 20, 21, 22, 23, then right down here 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31, okay, this. Now what we have to do, we have to plot the values, okay. This is here A equals to 1 without complement. This is the first K-map, this is the second K-map, okay. So the variables are in between 0 to 15, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9, then 10, 11. This is the first part. Then we have 16, 20, 24, 25, 16, 20, 24, 24, 25. Then we have 26, 27, 29, 31. 26, 27, 29, 31. Okay. This is the mapping of the values, the Minterm values here. Now we have to form the groups. So here if you see Minterm cells 8, 9, 10, 11, we can form a quad here, 4-member quad. Then focus on cells 0 and 8. We can form a pair here, 0 and 8. 5 and 6 have no adjacent occupied cell, so they will be single member groups, 5 and 6. Okay, this. Here for this K-map, the second K-map, focus on cells 24, 25, 26, 27. A quad can be formed here. Then focus on cells 29, 31, 25, 27. Another quad can be formed here. Then focus on cells 16 and 20. A pair can be formed here. Then also see why we are doing this, because see here 0 and 8, we have a pair here at identical positions, that is B bar, C bar, B, C bar, and here D bar, E bar. Here also same thing, identical positions in the two K-map, B bar, C bar, B, C bar and D bar, E bar. We can also form a pair. Okay, it will lead to further minimization. That's why we're doing it. Now we have to identify the common variables. For this single member group, it is B bar C on the horizontal side, D E bar on the vertical side. For this single member group, it is B bar C on the horizontal side, D bar E on the vertical side. Then for this quad, it is B C bar, only horizontal side is common. Then for this pair, it is C bar common on the horizontal side and D bar E bar on the vertical side. C bar, D bar, E bar. Okay, we got. Now for this K-map, for this quad here, it is BC bar common. For this quad here, it is B on the horizontal side and E on the vertical side. You remember how we determine the common variables on horizontal and vertical side? I have discussed a lot of questions related to 4 variable, 3 variable K-maps. So please watch those videos first and then come to this, okay, so that you understand in a better way. Okay, BE, BC bar. Now for this pair here, okay, this 16, 20 pair, it is on the horizontal side B bar, on the vertical side D bar, E bar. And for this pair 16, 24, it is C bar on the horizontal side and D bar, E bar on the vertical side. This. Okay, so we have determined all the common variables. Now here for this first K map, the common variable expression is something like this. Okay, B C bar or C bar D bar E bar, then B bar C D bar E or B bar C D bar E, then or B bar C D E bar, B bar C D E bar. This is the common set of variables. Then we have to AND it with A bar. Okay, we have to AND it with A bar. Then that is the minimized Boolean expression for the first K map. Then for the second K map, it is BE or BC bar or C bar D bar E bar or B bar D bar E. Okay, B bar D bar E. This we have to AND it with A. This gives the minimized Boolean expression for the second K map. So now if we open the brackets, it will be A bar B C bar or A bar C bar D bar E bar or A bar B bar C D bar E or A bar B bar C D E bar. Here it will be A B E or A B C bar or A C bar D bar E bar or A B bar D bar E. The final Boolean expression minimized is F min 1 or F min 2, which is this. When we AND it, both of them, okay, if you see, focus on this, okay, here A bar B C bar and here A B C bar, okay, then focus on A bar C bar D bar E bar and here it is A C bar D bar E bar. Okay, this with this and this with this. Okay, in both of the cases there is difference of one variable, that is A bar and A. So the final minimized Boolean expression, it will be, for this it will be BC bar common, A or A bar, which will be simply BC bar. If you take BC bar common from these two, it will be A or A bar. A bar is equal to 1. Okay, so it is directly BC bar. Here C bar D bar E bar is common. C bar D bar E bar is common. Here it is A, here it is A bar. Same thing, C bar D bar E bar and A or A bar. It will be 1. So it will be C bar D bar E bar. Remaining, there is nothing common in anything. Okay, everything else is, there is nothing common. So it will be A B E or A B bar D bar E or A bar B bar C D bar E or A bar B bar C D E bar. This is the final minimized Boolean expression. Okay, the final minimized Boolean expression, it is BC bar or ABE or C bar D bar E, which is A B bar D bar E, then A bar B bar C D E bar and A bar B bar C D bar E. Okay, this. This is the final minimized Boolean expression. Okay, so this. So always remember, when it comes to 5 variable K-map, split the minterm values in 2 parts. 0 to 15 range values on one side, 16 to 31 range values on the other. 2 K-maps separate, same variable splitting but different minterm values. Map the values, form the groups, and always look for groups at identical positions. See here, 0, 8 pair, 16, 24 pair. This squad 8, 9, 10, 11, 24, 25, 26, 27. These are groups at identical positions, and wherever you will find groups at identical positions, let me tell you a shortcut trick. See here. Here in this squad 8, 9, 10, 11, the common variable was BC bar, and here also there was a quad at identical position. Okay, identical. See, BC bar, BC bar. Here also BC bar. Directly you can write it down in the minimized section. BC bar will come, because here it is A bar, here it is A. So automatically it will get A or A bar, it will become 1. Similarly, see another thing. Here for the pair involving minterm cells 0 and 8, and here 16 and 24, the common variable is C bar, D bar, E. Here also C bar, D bar, E. So directly in the minimized section, you know there is a guarantee that C bar, D bar, E bar will come. Okay, C bar, D bar, E bar. Okay, by mistake, yes, E bar. It will come because here it is A bar, here it is A, and when we minimize it, further simplify it, it will become A or A bar, it will become 1. C bar, D bar, E bar will come common, then A or A bar, and it will become 1. Nowhere there is other groups at identical positions, so there will be no other common thing. So these are the shortcut tricks you can use. Okay,